Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove music from VODs in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu option labeled File. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the main configuration window where you can adjust various aspects of how OBS operates. In the Settings window, look at the left panel where you'll find several categories listed. Click on Output to access the streaming and recording settings. This section controls how your content is processed and what gets included in your broadcasts and saved recordings. Now locate the Output Mode option. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select Advanced from the list. Switching to Advanced mode gives you much more granular control over your stream settings, which is exactly what we need for separating your music from your VOD audio. At the top of the output settings, make sure you're on the Streaming tab. This ensures we're configuring the settings specifically for your live stream output rather than recordings or other formats. Next, look for an option called Twitch VOD Track. Right beside it, you'll see a checkbox. Go ahead and check that box. Enabling this feature allows OBS to create a separate audio track specifically for your VOD, which is key to removing music from your saved broadcasts while keeping it in your live stream. Once you've checked that box, navigate to the bottom right corner of the settings window. Click Apply to save your changes, then click OK to close the settings window and return to your main OBS interface. Now we need to configure your audio sources. In the Audio Mixer section of your OBS interface, locate the gear icon below the mixer controls and click on it. This will open the Advanced Audio Properties window where you can assign different audio sources to different tracks. In the window that opens, you should see columns labeled Track 1, Track 2, Track 3, Track 4, Track 5, and Track 6. These tracks allow you to route your audio in different ways. For both your desktop audio and mic/aux sources, uncheck the box under Track 6. If you have multiple audio sources in your mixer, make sure to uncheck Track 6 for all of them as well. This ensures that those audio sources won't be included in your VOD track, effectively removing any music or copyrighted content from your saved broadcasts. After you've unchecked all the Track 6 boxes, click Close to exit the Advanced Audio Properties window, and that's it. You've successfully configured OBS to separate your music from your VODs so your live stream viewers can still hear everything while your saved content remains copyright friendly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.